2020
Lexus RX.
With less than 59,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Its sensibility is matched by a spread of extra features, which include lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, tinted windows, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat, rain sensing wipers, Bluetooth. Don't risk the regrets. Test drive it today.